Hey up! It's a Thursday morning. I've got no work. So me and Liam, the lad I work with, we're off riding locally. I live in Elland. I'm not going to say exactly where I'm riding, because I don't do that. But you see some nice little videos, some local little trails, a nice bit of tech. Anyhow, this is going to be my breakfast. I've got carbohydrates, protein, there you go, and fat. Carbs, protein and fat. And I'm on this stuff at the minute. Don't even know if it'll work. Flexate joints, because I've got tennis elbow in my right arm and I've got tennis elbow in my left arm, and I've never played tennis. So I don't know how that is, but I'm presuming it's from grafting. It's quite annoying because it hurts. Anyway, it's a lovely day today. Look at that. Bit of sunshine, I tell you. Aye. So hopefully it'll be dryish on the trails, because it's been baba. I think one of my last videos I were at Warncliffe and it were middle of March. I think it was like 15th of March or something. And I was saying then how it's been a bad year for rain. Well, it's now the end of April and we've had one sunny weekend. First sunny weekend in Yorkshire this year. Celebrated with first bloody shindig at year. Whoa, look at that. So we've had a crap year so far. So the trails are still a little bit damp, but they're getting there. I mean, I do actually enjoy riding it wet, but when you've been riding it wet for 8 months and you're coming back after every riding, having to clean and everything else, it gets annoying. So yeah, see you on trails. We have Liam. He's come to meet me. What are you doing, Liam?
Fixing my dropper post.
Again?
Yeah.
Did you do it last time we met?
Yeah, and this is a new one.
A new one. First run at day. Tight, very tight. Good though, nice and tight. I mean, that is proper hard when it's soaking. Yeah, bit of a jump, hey. Same again, I don't know if it's still here because this gets destroyed. Oh, it's here. Nice. Well, go down here though, extend it. Yes. Nice first run. It's got the heartbeat going. That's what we want. I mean, it's not the best view because it's industrial, but it's nice, isn't it? It's better than London. God, we hate London. Nice, take it, nice. Wheel placement, that's it. Just need to learn to endo. I can make the corners, I just struggle. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah! You alright? He doesn't make the corner. Here comes little Liam. Little Liam, ah, Lizzie boo boo. Oh! Yes, sir! Nice! Saves it. I didn't make that call, I had to put my foot down up there. As I came down, my front wheel slipped. Fucking fly in my eye, you little bastard. Oh, fucking hell. That one eye. Got a fly in my eye. Hopefully no flies in my eyes this time. Yeah. Nice. Like it. Right. This is a nice trail. Whoa. Get round there. That's nice. Da 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 da. Lovely. It's round one. I've come home and my mate's meeting me, so I'm off out for round two. Go to the same place, and I'm gonna eat because my missus is gonna be late home. The kids are doing stuff, so I'm on my own, so I might as well just go out again. But I'm just gonna have some mixed raisins. This is the boring bit, but just showing you what we do. Mixed raisins, just as a starter. And then I'm gonna have baked beans, right? Swear down, that's what I'm doing. Baked beans with some ham, yeah? Fried, I'll fry them in my frying pan. It's already pre-used from whatever I ate last night. Be right. And in oven I've got some chicken nuggets. There's 5 chicken nuggets in there, which I've pre-warmed in microwave from frozen. So they're semi-cooked and they'll take 5 minutes in oven because I'm tight, I'm from Yorkshire. So I'll bang them in frying pan, and that'll be my tea for my bike ride, and I'm gonna crack on for the rest of the night. Round 2, here we go. Don't know where to fucking go now. Care Bear in front, leading the way, showing me what to do. Oh, he's fucking going down fast, he's tanking it, he's off! No waiting. Foot down. What the fuck's this? Didn't know about this. Sneaky. Sneaky. See? Oh, it stops me at the same bit, do you see?
Yeah.
Ah, it's like a fucking thing in my mind that now.
So
Wheel were locked.
so
Do you know what I did that other day? It was this one that I didn't do. So I came round here, got down there, and it was this one that got me. I'm happy to keep trying though, mate.
Yeah.
We'll go all the way down though.
Yeah.
End of the day, you're only going to get better the more you try. Nice. Yes. Yes. Opposite today. I did the one I didn't do and didn't do the one I did.
Progress.
Yeah. watching. Go on, Care. Yes. Yeah. Woohoo! Nice. What a way to end a day of riding. Fish and chuffing chips with curry sauce. Lovely. Lovely.